everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing another clean with me, except this one is just a little bit different. First off, it is a collaboration with Ashley from Ashley Wicker. You guys are gonna love her. She has videos that are very similar to mine with cooking and cleaning, mainly cleaning, but she's super sweet and I know that you guys will love her channel if you love mine. So please make sure you head on over to her channel and see her video right after you see mine, and we would both love to have you as a subscriber to our channels. So like I said, this video is a little bit different. We are doing a deeper clean. So that's not just cleaning the dishes, making the bed like we normally do, but this is like the nitty gritty. This is the stuff that we don't always want to think about. If you haven't yet, make sure you check out my last video with cleaning neglected areas. This is very similar to that. So go ahead and get your scrub brush and get your favorite cleaner and let's do a deep clean.
Alright you guys, so to change things up a bit, I'm going to be working to begin with in my son's room today. We've been here for a few months and we have not really done a deeper clean in his room. I'm going to start by just cleaning off all the surfaces. Then I'm going to work on his floors. I'm just going to vacuum them very well. Vacuuming is something that I do quite frequently, but to make this a deeper clean, I'm going to try and pull out his bed and vacuum underneath that just to make sure his floor is nice and clean.
I love you. I give you everything you want me to. Think about it. If I could, I'd burn down the moon and give that to for nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
Now that Grayson's room is a bit more tidy, I'm going to move into the master bathroom. We have not cleaned our shower head ever, and I say that, but please remember that this shower head was here when we moved here, so maybe the other owners have cleaned it, but goodness gracious, look at how nasty this thing was. I just used an old toothbrush and just scrubbed it down really well. I turned the faucet on to kind of scrub it out a little bit more and try and rinse it, and then once I wipe it down, look at how clean this thing is.
No, there ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you.
Now I'm going to move downstairs. Cleaning my sink is something I do very often, but rarely do I scrub it down. You may see me do this in my cleaning videos, but honestly, in my cleaning videos is the only time I give it a really good clean, so it was time to do so.
stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true to love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
After the sink was clean, I decided to stay in the kitchen and I just took some of these disinfectant wipes. These are similar to Clorox wipes or Lysol wipes. They're just the Great Value brand. And I just wanted to go ahead and wipe down the hood over our stove. This gets so sticky and greasy from cooking that it was just time to get all the dust and the nastiness off of it. The last area I wanted to do a deeper clean was just to clean the outside of my cabinets. I haven't done this since we moved here, so it was time for them to be cleaned as well. The areas that I really tried to focus on most was around the stove, the oven, and under the sink. Those cabinets seem to get dirty a lot faster than the other ones. I just used my Mrs. Meyer's and it worked really well and made the kitchen smell so good. I also want to take this time now just to thank you guys so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out Ashley Wicker as she's doing a deeper clean today as well, and make sure you subscribe to her channel too. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.